So today we're going to Saint-Lazare in Paris, and we're getting on the train. That's the train that we missed. Obviously, we're not about to get it. Judy, we're not. No. There, my cousin. Say hi. Let's just say I'm simply entertaining myself by walking through Galeries Lafayette. There's no way in hell I could ever afford anything in here, but one day I will, and I will come buy something. It's the dream. Look at all this pretty stuff. This is Kenzo. I have literally been waiting 2 years to eat this, okay? This is a French churro and it has powdered sugar on it. And this is the greatest thing that has ever been invented. 2 years I've been waiting to eat this.